Here's 405 Main. You have parking in the back. We have construction going on with new decks. The whole house is getting painted as well. But all the units inside are done, redone with new windows and everything. This is the back entrance. So all this will be all redone with sheetrock and everything, but the deck is new on the main entrance, so a shell. What it looks like now, so we could use the other way to get in. This is the beautiful living room. You can fit any size couch in here. Let me introduce you. This is Pork Chop. Hey girl. We're practicing safe distancing. Vinyl windows, heat's included, water's included. All new wood vinyl plank floorings. Here's one bedroom here. There's a double door that opens up. Ceiling fans throughout. Sliding, plenty big closets. Goes way back there too. You can fit a king size bed in here, no problem. Ceiling fan here too. And here is kind of like a hutch for a pantry or a linen closet here actually. Hang your coats up in here. And here's the bathroom. Nice new vanity. It's modern looking. Medicine cabinet. Nice tub and toilet. Waterproof flooring. And coming in here you have a large kitchen. You're gonna have new appliances here as well. Electric stove and fridge. You're gonna have a spot for like a little round table to sit at. A little kitchenette. New faucet and fixtures. And new windows. And here's the second bedroom. Again, you can fit another king size bed in here, no problem. A lot of closet space. There's actually a double closet, his and her closets in here, which is his and hers, or vice versa. Nice place. And I'll show you the deck. This is actually the main entrance. This is where you come for the lockbox and everything. The construction is just about 95% complete, almost there. You just have to stain the deck and fix the railing over here. So as soon as this is done, so it's safe, we'll list it for to show. But those steps will be done. These steps will be done. And there's plenty of parking spots back here. So this will be your deck to use. You have a spot back here as well. All right, if you're interested in this property, just go to our website, parasoleproperties.com, P-A-R-A-S-O-L-E properties.com. Submit an application on the homepage, and we'll get back to you by the next business day with further instructions on how to view this property. All right, definitely a nice place. Shut the lights off. So we're gonna rent it, and then we'll actually start working in the hallway here. So this will be all new. So make a spot for mailboxes and stuff. All right. So there's the instructions on what to do. We get this to move in here. A nice 2-bedroom.